In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a strip with a fade scroll effect and save your changes. We'll move through this together step by step so you know exactly what to click and why. To begin, look for the option to add a new section to your page. This is your foundation. Clicking Add a section creates dedicated space on the page where your content can live, keeping your layout organized and making it easier to control how things look and behave. Once you've added that section, you'll see an empty area ready to be filled. Next, head to the left side of your editor and click Add Elements. This is the panel where all the building blocks live, from text and images to more advanced layout pieces. Opening this panel ensures you're pulling in the right type of content for the effect you want. From the Elements panel, choose Strip. A strip is a full-width band that stretches across the page, perfect for making content stand out or creating clear breaks between parts of your layout. Clicking Strip will place it inside the section you just created. You should see a clean, wide area appear, ready for styling or effects. If it lands slightly off or looks too tall or short, don't worry. Strips are designed to be flexible. You can adjust styling later if you need, but for now, we'll keep the default so we stay focused on the effect. With the strip selected, find the option labeled Background Scroll Effects. This controls how the background behaves as your visitors move down the page. Click Background Scroll Effects to open the settings. These effects add motion and polish, drawing attention without overwhelming the viewer. Now choose whether you want the fade to be fade in or fade out. Fade in will make the background gradually appear as a visitor scrolls down to the strip, which is great for introducing content smoothly. Fade out, on the other hand, gradually reduces the background's visibility as the visitor scrolls past, creating a subtle transition that can help guide the eye to what comes next. Pick the one that best matches your design style and the mood you're aiming for. If your page has bold visuals, fade in often feels dramatic and welcoming. If your layout is minimal, fade out can feel clean and refined. When you're happy with your choice, click Save. This final step ensures your changes are stored and won't be lost. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially after applying visual effects. That's it, you've added a section, placed a strip, set a background scroll effect, and saved your work.